Kelsey Mansoray. I'm with eXp Realty, and I'm here showing this wonderful property off of Mendenhall in the East Memphis area in Memphis, Tennessee. This charming house is wonderful for a starter home, and then also for those who are looking for something that has enough space to entertain, but enough for a smaller family to enjoy, and then also to enjoy the activities near by the busy scene in terms of nightlife, or also just being close to corporate offices. So I hope you enjoy this tour and looking at this beautiful home. If you have any questions, you can certainly call me at 901-451-8089, and I'd be happy to give you a private tour of this beautiful place.